Good morning, students. In today's lecture, here we have got the new chapter number first of the science, matter in our surroundings. So, students, in this video, we have to discuss matter in our surrounding content. It is very interesting topic, students. So, before starting the chapter, before starting the content, first of all we will discuss what is matter. What is matter? स्टूडेंट्स, ये मैटर क्या होता है? मैटर, व्हाट इज मैटर? Students, actually matter is anything which has mass and occupies space and can be perceived by our sense organs. Means matter एक ऐसी चीज होती है जिसमें मास होता है, मीन्स उसमें कंटेंट होता है, अंदर कुछ न कुछ मास उसका होता है. सेकेंड, इफ यू विल पुट समवेयर, अगर उसको कहीं पे रखेंगे, इट विल ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस, वो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करेगी. मे बी वेरी लेस, लाइक द टिप ऑफ द नीडल, हाउ मच स्पेस विल ऑक्यूपाई? वेरी लेस. एंड द फुट ऑफ द एलिफेंट, और हाथी का पैर, इट विल ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस मोर. So and can be pursued by our sense organs. Like that we can see also. Like that by our eyes we can see. Suppose that here one coin is there. One coin. Take the example of coin. मान लो आपके पास एक सिक्का है, ठीक है? That coin you can see. वो आपको दिख रहा है. It means it is pursued by your eyes. और व्हाट इज आइज? आइज योर सेंस ऑर्गन्स. तो सबसे पहले यह कि आपके सेंस ऑर्गन ने इसको परसीव किया. सेकंड बात, इफ यू विल पुट समवेयर, इट विल ऑक्यूपाई द स्पेस, वो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करेगा. एंड थर्ड थिंग, इफ यू विल सी, इट हैज मास ऑल्सो. विदाउट मास इज नॉट इट इज. सो व्हाट इज द मैटर? मैटर इज एनीथिंग. Matter is anything which has mass, occupies space and can be perceived PER by our sense organs. Is called matter. So students, this is the matter's definition. Anything which has mass, occupies the space and can be perceived by our sense organ is called matter. In our surrounding we see different kind of matter. Like that, if I am standing in this room, in front of my cameras are there, mic is there, that these machines are there, chairs are there, benches are there, boxes are there, whiteboards are there, so many things are there. All are these matter only. But students, something is there that you cannot put in the category of matter. कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनको हम नहीं कह सकते हैं कि ये मैटर है. लाइक दैट हीट. ये जो हीट है, क्या हीट आपका मैटर है? नहीं है. हीट मैटर नहीं है स्टूडेंट्स. इट डजंट हैज मास, इट डजंट ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस. लाइक दैट योर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज नॉट ए मैटर. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज नॉट ए मैटर. हीट इज नॉट ए मैटर. लाइट इज नॉट ए मैटर. हीट, electricity, light, after that your sound, after that vacuum. These are not come in the category of matter. These are not matter. ये matter नहीं है students. Heat, electricity, light, sound and vacuum, these are not matter. And some feelings are there, like that feeling of love. Can this is matter? No. Can feeling of hatred, किसी में नफरत की भावना हो, क्या ये नफरत है? ये hatred है? क्या ये मैटर है? नो ना. लाइक दैट अफेक्शन, किसी से आपका स्नेह है, क्या ये मैटर है? नो. दीज आर द फीलिंग्स. दे डोंट हैव द मास, दे डोंट ऑक्यूपाई द स्पेस. सो दीज आर नॉट मैटर. दीज आर नॉट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द मैटर. रिमेनिंग ऑल द थिंग्स which exist in the nature, you can put them in the category of matter. ये आपका मैटर हो गया स्टूडेंट्स. So it was the definition of matter and which thing we include in the matter and which thing we don't include the matter. This also we have done. And now next is classification of the matter. Classification of the matter. Actually, if you see ancient belief, BELIEF, ancient belief of matter. According to ancient Indian philosophers, those who have the knowledge of philosophy, that is philosopher. Our ancient Indian philosopher, like that, our Indian philosophers, they said that, they suggested that, they believe that all the matter, whether they are living or non-living, made of five fundamental particles that पंच तत्व known as पंच तत्व like that your air, water, fire, sky, soil, वायु, जल, अग्नि, आकाश और मीठी पृथ्वी. According to our Indian philosopher, whether the living things or non-living things, they are made up of five fundamental particles. You can say that Panch Tattva, five elements. These are air, water, fire, sky and soil. According to them, all the matter is made up of with these five things only. They are air, water, fire, sky and soil. This was the belief of our ancient Indian philosophers. They said about the matter this one. After that, our one more Indian philosopher, that Maharishi Kanand. According to Maharishi Kanand, he was the very well known Indian philosopher. He was a very good, knowledgeable person of the philosophy. He said that all form of matter की जितनी भी फॉर्म्स है are composed of, he said that all forms of matter is composed, बनी हुई है by very tiny, बहुत छोटी very tiny particles called अणु. According to Maharishi Kanand, that all forms of the matter is composed or made up of very tiny particles and they are called anu, and that anu is made up of, and these anu of made up of परमाणु, और अणु से भी छोटे कुछ पार्टिकल्स है वो हो गए आपके परमाणु. After these two philosophy, advancement in science came and students classification starts on the basis of the physical property of the matter. So this is the modern classification now. Now we are with the modern classification of matter. Modern classification of matter. Actually, student, modern classification of matter was based on the physical property, based on the physical state or physical property, physical properties, and second one based on the chemical composition, based on the chemical composition that we will be discussing continuously. Today we will see first some characteristics of matter. Very important question, students. What do you mean by the matter? Matter क्या है? Write the main characteristics of matter. तो मैटर की जो है मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है वो हमें लिखनी है, एग्जाम्पल्स देने हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी स्टार्ट विद दिस फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी दैट मैटर इज made of very टाइनी पार्टिकल्स. स्टूडेंट्स जो मैटर होते हैं वो बहुत ही छोटे छोटे सूक्ष्म पार्टिकल्स से बने हुए होते हैं. तो मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ वेरी टाइनी पार्टिकल्स. दिस इज द फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द मैटर. ये स्टूडेंट्स मैटर की फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हो गई. नाउ I am telling one activity, and through this activity we are going to prove that this characteristics of matter is comes true or not. For that we take a beaker, this first beaker we take here, and in this beaker we take 90 ml. Here we take 90 ml of water. We have taken a beaker. In that beaker 90 ml of water we have taken. And students, here we have added some potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, some crystal of KMnO4. This is your potassium permanganate. Okay students, so here it gives color, pink color. So we have to dissolve this. After that we will get this total 100 gram solution, means solute plus solvent. Here solute is water and here solute is here KMnO4 and solvent is here water, and with the solution is both this water plus KMnO4. This gives the solution. Students, now after stirring it well, we have take a test tube, and in that test tube we take only 10 ml of water from this. From this we have taken 10 ml of water, that colored water, because it is colored only. And now we have to take a second beaker. In second beaker again we will take 90 ml of water only, tap water. Here we have taken 90 ml, and in this 10 ml, the test tube is contained the 10 ml of this colored water. We will add in this. So this water's color also becomes colored, but not that much, little bit fat. After that, students, we will fill one another test tube. From this we will take 10 ml of this solution from this beaker, and now we will take one more beaker. In that also we will take 19 ml of water, and we will add this 10 ml water in this. Now we will see, then again water is colored, but not that much. So like this we will be doing, and we will repeat it 6 to 7 times. In every case we will see that water remains colored. It means, students, here the water's color is colored that pink. Why? Because of the presence of this your potassium permanganate particles. So it means, it shows that even we have repeated 6 or 7 times, then also water has not become colorless. It means, students, the particles are very tiny in nature. So by this activity we can prove that matter is made up of very tiny particles. Is that clear, students? It was the first characteristics of the matter. And now, students, second characteristics of the matter, that is very important characteristics. What the second is, the they have, means matter have what? Interspaces, intermolecular spaces or interparticular spaces between them. It means from one particles to another particles some interspaces is there. That may be interparticle spaces. If the space is there between particle to particle, that is interparticle spaces. If space is there between molecules to molecules, it means this is intermolecular spaces. It means space is there. So matter have interspace between them. So students, we have to prove this thing that this is correct or not. इसके लिए स्टूडेंट्स हमें एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है, एक एक्टिविटी करनी है. So we start with the activity, and by this activity we will prove these things. Students, we do one thing. We take a beaker, and in that beaker we take 100 ml of water. Suppose up to here, up to this level we have taken what? Water. This is level here, and here I have taken 100 ml of tap water or whatever water is there, but it is water. Now I will take 20 gram or 10 gram, okay, I am taking 10 gram of common salt. I can take common salt, जो नमक हम खाते हैं, that is common salt, or you can add 10 gram of sugar. आप 10 ग्राम शुगर भी ले सकते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स, with the help of the stirrer, we have to add here in this 10 gram common salt. Here we have added common salt, that is how much? That is the 10 gram. And now we will see that what level, have you something changes in the level. Students, जब आपने 10 ग्राम कॉमन साल्ट ऐड कर दिया है तो वाटर का तो लेवल बढ़ना चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए. जैसे कि हम किसी बीकर में, जैसे कि आपने थर्स्टी क्रो की कहानी पढ़ी है कि एक बहुत ही प्यासा कौवा होता है, घड़े में पानी कम होता है, वो बहुत सारे पेबल्स, कंकड़ पत्थर इकट्ठे करके उस घड़े में डालता जाता है और पानी का लेवल ऊपर बढ़ता जाता है. तो इसमें जब हमने 10 ग्राम, जब हमने कॉमन साल्ट या 10 ग्राम शुगर हमने जब इसमें डिजोल्व किया है, ये डिजोल्व हो गया है, फिर तो इसका राइज है, इसका जो लेवल है स्टूडेंट्स वो तो इंक्रीज होना चाहिए ना। बट स्टूडेंट्स यू विल सी देयर इज नो इंक्रीज, देयर इज नो इंक्रीज इन लेवल, देयर इज नो इंक्रीज इन लेवल ऑफ वाटर, इसमें वाटर का कोई लेवल इंक्रीज नहीं हुआ है। तो स्टूडेंट्स वो कहाँ गया, जो आपने कॉमन साल्ट ऐड किया था वो कहाँ गया स्टूडेंट्स? दैट कॉमन साल्ट पार्टिकल्स they have occupied the spaces between the water molecules। स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे जो वाटर मोलिक्यूल्स थे इनके बीच में जो स्पेसेस था वो स्पेसेस ऑक्यूपाई हो गया है, किसके द्वारा? शुगर पार्टिकल्स के द्वारा। आपके कॉमन साल्ट के पार्टिकल्स है वहाँ ऑक्यूपाइड हो चुके हैं, इसलिए स्टूडेंट्स इसका लेवल है, वाटर का लेवल है वो राइज अप नहीं हुआ है। इट मीन्स दिस इज ट्रूथ दैट मैटर हैव एंटर स्पेसेस बिटवीन देम। तो फर्स्ट जो एजप्शन था, जो फर्स्ट हमारा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स था वो था कि ऑल द मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ वेरी टाइनी पार्टिकल्स, वी प्रूव्ड विद द एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो। एंड सेकेंड आवर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज मैटर हैव एंटर स्पेसेस बिटवीन देम, this is also we have completed। Okay students, and now one more characteristics today and remaining characteristics you will see in the next video। तो students यहाँ पे जो थर्ड एक्टिविटी है that is you know that the particles of matter, the particles of matter, particles of matter constantly are in motion, constantly moving you can say that। स्टूडेंट्स जो पार्टिकल्स ऑफ द मैटर होते हैं वो कॉन्स्टेंटली मूविंग होते हैं, लगातार मोशन में रहते हैं, मूवमेंट करते रहते हैं, एक जगह फिक्स नहीं रहते हैं। दिस इज द थर्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्टिकल्स दैट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द पार्टिकल्स। So for that we have to see here, we have got some evidence and that evidence is I am giving one evidence and that this is the diffusion। Students एक diffusion property होती है, तो diffusion के द्वारा by the diffusion you can say that particles of water constantly moving। Yes students, diffusion किस में होता है? Diffusing is the property of the particles, that intermixing of the particles। तो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो इंटरमिक्स हो जाते हैं एंड थ्रू द एयर और थ्रू द सॉलिड, बिकॉज डिफ्यूजन कैन अकर इन ऑल द थ्री स्टेट्स। तो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द डिफ्यूजन? एक्चुअली डिफ्यूजन क्या होता है? स्पॉन्टेनियस इंटरमिक्सिंग होता है, स्पॉन्टेनियस इंटरमिक्सिंग ऑफ पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर, स्पॉन्टेनियस इंटरमिक्सिंग ऑफ पार्टिकल ये होता है स्टूडेंट्स, स्पॉन्टेनियस intermixing of particles, spontaneous intermixing of particles on by their over is called what? They are known as diffusion। तो स्टूडेंट्स ये हो गया आपका डिफ्यूजन। तो particles of matter have, now I am giving the example of diffusion। Students, that suppose that in your room in a corner if you open a bottle of perfume, अगर आप वहाँ पे एक कॉर्नर में एक परफ्यूम की बोतल को ओपन करते हैं तो स्टूडेंट्स when somebody will come, somebody will enter in your room, immediately he will come to know that someone has applied scent। उसको पता चल जाएगा कि किसी ने सेंट लगा रखा है। क्यों? बिकॉज दैट सेंट पार्टिकल, बिकॉज दैट परफ्यूम पार्टिकल्स, they have got immediately mixed in the air, and through the air they have reached to you. So this is the evidence of the diffusion. So students, diffusions, that one another examples also you can give. Another examples means, suppose that you have seen also, experienced also, if your home, your mother is cooking halwa, अगर आपकी मम्मी हलवा बना रही होती है, and when you are coming from the school and you enter the house, and at that time when she is cooking halwa, that time immediately you will become very glad, very happy. How? Because you will come to know that halwa is made, halwa is made, halwa is ready, mother is cooking halwa, or any sweets maybe. So why? Because that sweets particle, because it is in hot condition, so the kinetic energy of the particles are that time very high, so they get very fast mixed into the air, and through the air they reach to your nose, and by sense of smell you can come to know this is diffusion, students. And after the diffusion, one more property is there, that is Brownian motion, and that Brownian motion we will see in the next chapter, students, in next video. So up to that you wait. Thank you. Have a nice day.